With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, the question is when X millimoles of KMnO4 react completely with Y millimoles of MnSO4 in presence of fluoride ions to give MnF4 quantitatively. Then, so when X millimole of KMnO4, when KMnO4 reacts with MnSO4 in the presence of fluoride ion, that is F minus, then formation of MnF4. So here KMnO4, that is N is equal to 3. 3 moles of KMnO4 reacts with 2 moles of MnSO4 in the presence of F minus, then formation of the MnF4. So molar equivalence of KMnO4 is equal to molar equivalence of MnSO4. So KMnO4, that is 3x, and KMnO4, that is x millimoles, and MnSO4, that is y millimoles. So 3x is equal to 2y. So from this, y is greater than x. So option number D, that is option number 4, is correct. Y is greater than x. When x millimoles of KMnO4 reacts with y millimoles of MnSO4, then formation of the MnF4 in presence of F minus, and 3x is equal to 2y, therefore y is greater than x. So option number D, that is option number 4, is correct. Y is greater than x. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.